Bonnie. Happy Thursday! Oh my goodness, you guys, I've been busy. I've been cleaning. I went to Bath and Body Works. I went to At Home. I've just been all over the place, and went to Bath and Body Works and I got myself some Christmas candles for $13.95. I actually had to pay full price for one of them, but it was worth it. And then I came home and I got to do this video. I didn't want to be super late today, but I got to put up a picture. Oh my gosh, if you go to my Instagram, Queen of the Girl Geeks 1, my mom and her sister are so cute. I'm going to put a picture up here. I gave them candles. I asked them totally impromptu. I'm like, what's your favorite Bath and Body Works candle? Because they both love Bath and Body Works. And my aunt, who is over 90, she's amazing, looks so good for her age. She drives, she's all over the place. She actually said lilac. And then my mom said the new cocoa roasted chestnut. I'm like, yay, bring it on. So Christmas candles, if you head over to Instagram, I did a little impromptu reel with them. It was super cute. And then, check it out, I have a bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, I'm going to unbag these, and then I'm going to start reviewing Christmas. So, Snowy Peach Berry. A lot of people love this one. It's not my favorite, but I'm going to give it another chance. One of my girlfriends loves this one. I love the packaging. Sweet peaches, tart cranberry, and sugared musk. I'm going to give it another try. Next up, I think you guys are going to appreciate this one. This is the peppermint sugar cookie. I gotta say, I love this jar. Check out the lid. And this is a wonderful scent. Yeah. We're supposed to get the raspberry thumbprint cookie. I didn't see that one, but I got a lot of pictures of these. This was the one that was full price, but I had to get it. Okay, receipt. Next up, I got sweater weather. I'm going to review all of these for the holidays. For some reason, when I smelled this, I don't know why, I was liking it. Fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. I might have Lenny do these with me when he's in town in a couple weeks, and I know he's going to love that one. So I just wanted to get all the White Barn because I do want to review all these. Crushed candy cane. Look at the pink. Oh my gosh, this smells so fresh this year. And I love the pink and the White Barn. So these are actually $26.95, but $13.95. I'm like, I'm getting these today. Eucalyptus Snowfall. Usually not on my list. My mom's going to love this one. I'm going outside my comfort zone, you guys. I'm going to review all of these. Next up, we have Fresh Balsam. Classic Bath and Body Works. I love the jars. These are so pretty. I don't know why. I'm just kind of digging Christmas right now. I know we're totally early on Christmas. I got Cedar and Suede. This one is a favorite for a lot of people, including me. It was in the green glass jar last year. I love this candle. Soft cedar, warm incense, and velvety suede. And it smells just as good. Oh my gosh, I love the jar too. This soft green. Oh my gosh, that one is so good. I was so excited to get cedar. Okay, I got all of them. Cedar and Suede, it's called. Cedar and Suede. That one is amazing. Okay, and the final one I got. This is one of my favorite candles from Bath and Body Works Christmas of all time. 'Tis the Season. This one is the rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedarwood. Oh my gosh. So, like I said, I decided, I'm like, you know what? The price is right today. I'm getting these Christmas candles. And then, of course, I did pick up this one the other day. This is the cocoa roasted chestnuts that my mom likes so much. I got to review that one. I wasn't sure, like, when these Christmas candles are starting to roll out. I keep hearing possibly tomorrow we might see some of these. I don't know. I also got my hands on the gold lid one. Where did I keep losing that one, you guys? My background is a mess. Oh, here it is. I put it in a special spot. This is actually Thanksgiving. It's the one with the gold lid. Beautiful. This is actually Harvest Gathering. So I was super excited for my haul today. So also going on today at Bath and Body Works is, let me do this. Oh my gosh, why didn't I bring up Bath and Body Works, you guys? Okay. $1 for the PocketBacs in store. I didn't get any PocketBacs. I'm holding out for Christmas. And then $5 online. Body Care is buy 3 get 3. And I did see the Luminous in the, the full-size Body Care. They had a tester up front. I smelled it. I still like it. I'm loving it. I don't know how long this candle sale is going on today. If it's going on tomorrow and there's more Christmas candles out, guess who is going to Bath & Body Works again tomorrow? That would be me. I really want to, like I said, get my hands on a lot of the Christmas candles so I have them available to start reviewing. Like Cedar and Suede, to me, this is like going into Christmas. I saw the Hot Cocoa and Cream, by the way. It's gorgeous. Sweater Weather is more fall. I don't know. A lot of these do kind of like crossover seasons, but I have a ton of fall candles that I still need to review. Apricot and Green Fig, Autumn Chai, Pumpkin Cupcake. They're endless. And I have Halloween. So every day I'm going to try and do more candles from all 3 seasons. You're just going to get all 3. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I will be back later. I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.